Welcome to Prime Minister Employment Generation Program. Here we begin with video tutorial for PMEGP online application. Submission procedure involves 4 basic steps. Number 1, filling online application. Step 2, save applicant data. Step 3, upload required documents. Step 4, final submission. Now please have a look at some important notes. Number 1, on saving the application, username and password will be sent to your registered mobile number. Number 2, on final submission of application, your applicant ID will be generated and it will be sent to your email ID. Now you can print your application form after final submission. PMEGP is basically designed for 2 categories. Number 1, PMEGP online application form for individual. Another one, PMEGP online application form for non-individual. PMEGP online application form for non-individual includes self-help groups, trust, registered institutions. Now let's start with PMEGP online application submission demo for individual applicant. Please enter your 12-digit Aadhaar card number. Next, name of the applicant. User need to select prefix of the name from the drop down list such as Shri, Srimati, Kumari. You need to fill name exactly as it appears in the Aadhaar card. Now click here to validate your name and Aadhaar card number from UIDAI. Next step is to select sponsoring agency. Please select sponsoring agency from drop down list. Such as KVIC, KVIB or DIC. If unit location is at urban area, then select only DIC, or if unit location is at rural area, then select KVIC or KVIB or DIC. Next, state. Please select state from the drop down list. For example, Goa, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, etc. Next, district. Please select district from the drop down list. Next is sponsoring office. Please select sponsoring office from the office list. Application will be forwarded to selected office after final submission. Next one, legal type. By default it will be displayed as individual only. Gender. Please select your gender from the drop down list. For example, male, female, transgender. Next, Date of birth. Date of birth must be filled in format of DD, MM, YY, YY. Example, if your date of birth is 18 June 1985, then it must be entered as 18/06/1985. Age should not be less than 18 years. As soon as date of birth is entered, the age will be displayed automatically. Next, social category. Applicant need to select social category from the drop down list. For example, general, other backward class, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe or minority. Then please select special category. For example, ex-serviceman, physically challenged, hill border region, northeast region. Next, qualification. Please select your qualification from the drop down list. For example, 8 pass, under 8 or graduation. Under 8 pass, maximum project cost for manufacturing sector for rupees 10 lakhs only, whereas for service sector 5 lakhs only. 8 pass and above, maximum project cost for rupees 25 lakhs, and for trading sector 10 lakhs.
Okay.
Next, communication address. Please enter your communication address for further communication. Applicant must fill complete postal address of including state, district, pin code. Enter 6-digit pin code. Please enter 10-digit mobile number without zero. Care should be taken while entering mobile number, as password will be sent through SMS to this mobile number. Please enter alternate mobile number if any. Email. Please enter email ID for all future updates. Next, PAN number. If UIDAI does not issue Aadhaar card number, then please enter your PAN number. Next, unit location. Please select unit location from drop down list. For example, rural or urban. Propose unit address. If communication address and unit address are same, then please click on copy communication address to unit address. However, you can edit unit address. Next, type of activity. Please select industry type, that is whether it belongs to manufacturing, trading or service. Then select activity from the activity list. You can search activity by typing name of the activity in search area. And then click on find. Automatically system will display the name of the activity. Then enter product description in product description field. Next, EDB training undergone. Entrepreneur Development Program. If you undergone EDB training, then please select yes, otherwise select no. If yes, then please enter EDB Training Center institution name. Next, loan required. Enter your capital expenditure and working capital in figure. Please enter in rupees. Then total will be calculated by the system automatically. Applicant need to fill bank details. First, financing bank. Please select bank name from the drop down list. IFSC code. Please select bank IFSC code from the drop down list. Enter optional bank IFSC code if required. Last but not least, please click on declaration box. And then click on save data to complete part 1. Now, pop-up message will be displayed on your computer screen. Are you sure that all information entered are correct? Click OK for final submission and click cancel for modification if any. After clicking on OK button, online application document certificate upload form will be displayed on your computer screen. Now, please upload the required document such as passport size photo, Aadhaar card, population certificate, EDB training certificate, highest educational technical certificate. Then click on upload button to upload the required document. Remember, upload file should be in PDF or JPG format. Then select upload type from drop down list. Please select choose file to select the file. Please mention document description if any, and then click on upload. Then click on final submission. Data cannot be modified once application finally submitted to sponsoring agency. Last but not least, please click on final submission of application to sponsoring agency. After that, please click on log out. Thank you. Have a good day.